free, and the world is ours.
Ding dong, oh 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 ding dong. That's a good one.
We're going up, 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 up. Victoria, forever to the end of time. And I know that you and I, we're going up, 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 up.
How many times you break the rules?
How many times did we lose between us? Only teardrops. Na 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 na. We only got ourselves to blame. It's such a shame. Tell me how many times we break the rules? How many times we get through between us? Only teardrops. Only teardrops.
Hi Slovenia, I'm Emily de Forest, I'm from Denmark and my song is called Only Teardrops.
The sky's red tonight. We're on the edge tonight. No shooting star.
Ding dong!
How did you enjoy the experience?
How did I enjoy it? I loved it. It was electric.
Občutek na odru je bil fantastičen, energija, vse je bilo wow. To je bila v bistvu zadnja šansa, da od sebe damo 150% in mislim, da smo tudi dali. Saj jaz sem dal vse od sebe, ful sem užival na odru, publika je bila izjemna, tako da ena ful lepa izkušnja v mojem življenju.
Kaj je drugače, ko stopiš na oder finale?
Kaj je drugače? V bistvu mogoče trema je še zmer prisotna, mogoče je malo manj, ker sem dal čez že vse te generalke, polfinale smo dali čez, ampak ko se zavedaš finale, nekaj več, toliko več publike, toliko več gledalcev prek TV zaslonov in ti je res je fantastično.
Ste zadovoljni s končnim rezultatom?
Ja, v bistvu, če govorim zase, jaz sem ful zadovoljen, ker vem, da sem dal vse od sebe, vem, da je bil en dober performance, en dober nastop, tako da jaz sem. In mislim, da tudi Aljona in ostali so zelo zadovoljni.
In France, there is a jury who vote for my song to represent the France. So me, I was just like real, you know, real. I just sing the song I love singing, and I had lots of pleasure. It was very impressive to opening the evening, but the people was great, and I had lots of energy and pleasure to sing. And I think we are one today. Every country was here, and we was here for the same thing, for the passion-loving music, the passion-loving songs, and that's the most important. We are one. That's the message we have to remember. I'm very happy to be here tonight, and I'm very proud, and I think Denmark deserves the success, really, yeah.
Ding dong! Krista, what's the feeling like knowing you set a trend of running brides among the viewers of Eurovision? There was a whole lot of brides outside of...
Yeah, that's amazing. We've got fans for sure, and that's the thing that matters. I'm really proud of that, and I'm proud of our show. I'm proud of my song. I'm proud of everything. This has been amazing, and I'm so thankful for everything.
What do you think about the winner?
Hi, alcohol is free. I love Denmark. I think it's a really great song, and she's really cute. And yes, my dues the points would have gone to Denmark.
Can I give you a kiss?
Of course.
Is this watching to Finland?
Yeah.
Okay, my greetings to Lisa and Juha from the bus club. Okay.
Thank you. But it has been an amazing journey.
It was a great night.
It looked like you will win.
No, really? No. Another way, but we enjoyed it, you know. It was a great night.
What do you think about the winner?
I think she deserved it. Yes, it was a great song.
Thank you.
We'll see them next year in Denmark, so cool, really cool.
Margaret, are you disappointed perhaps, or what's the feeling like?
I'm not disappointed at all. I'm super happy with the 4th place, and I'm also very happy for Denmark, our neighbor country, and it just feels wonderful. It was the biggest day of my life this day.
how did this all start, the whole Eurovision journey?
The Eurovision journey for me started with just a simple email and some phone calls. I got invited to this wonderful event to participate for this wonderful opportunity, and we started talking and things really clicked for us, and I was so excited to be a part of the Ukrainian team, and so I ended up here and enjoying these 2 weeks tremendously.
How are you satisfied with the outcome?
I just feel blessed that we're even in the top 3. I think we did a marvelous job. Denmark did just outstanding. It's just, I'm happy we are where we are. I think it's a bonus for me.
Hi, thank you for all and who work for me, and I really love you and thank you very much.
I really loved the song the first time I heard it, and I think that's what it's all about, music in Europe, that we are one and can bring us all these countries together through music. And as I said, I really hope that it will be a song that could unite all of Europe, and I really hope that our song